This is the test sentence and number sequence that I came up with. This sentence includes every letter in the alphabet, and these numbers include every number and not in sequence, so it won't be as easy to do. Here's the prosthetic. And as you can see, here is the typing apparatus. It's got a little dot on the other side, so it's easier to see where it is. There it is, the test sentence and number sequence. Fox has quickly jumped over the lazy brown dog. Oh, it looks like we forgot to capitalize the F. We have enough dexterity to be able to delete and then caps lock and then F. So now if we go back down, should match exactly. There we go. Foxes quickly jump over the lazy brown dog.